This is how we can set a timer on the iPhone. So we need to do it through the clock application, which looks like this. But if you don't see it on your home screen, just swipe down like that and just type in the clock into the search and just get inside like this. Inside of this app, we have 4 parts at the bottom. So we have things like world clock, alarms, stopwatch, and a timer is on the right. So now you select the time for the timer, right? So we have the hours selection in there, we have the minutes and the seconds. So if you choose 10 minutes and let's say 10 seconds, you can just click on a start and it's going to start the timer, the countdown, right? And below you also have some things like what happens when the timer ends. You also get to choose the specific sound, which it is supposed to play. Or interestingly enough, you also have the option to stop playing, because a lot of people set timers for their music or content when, for example, after like 10 minutes they want the music to stop. So you could also choose stop playing if you would want it to, but whatever you pick, you can hit start and now the timer is active, and you can even see it visually as it like runs out of the color in the circle. And that's essentially it. Let me know if it worked for you, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.